Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Pepe video update. Today we're so close to the technical target now, and this is where we're looking to head down. And ever since yesterday, we talked about it. We were somewhere here, of course, and I'm going to draw a line that is being lost at the moment. So take the trend line there, and we do have this small resistance that has been broken out of. All right, so the daily time frame, as I showed you in yesterday's video, we do have a development of a bear flag. So here we go. That's the bear flag you can see right there, and eventually that bear flag takes you all the way down here. So and the next thing that happened is on the 4-hour time frame we're losing another important key level, and that's going to be one support, breakdown, retest. And you can see the retest is pretty much being rejected. You are closing below what is support here, so that support has turned into resistance. And we can say that this is probably looking like we are about to get from there to there, right? And the break is happening here. So again, the technical target down to 10,900 level. Now, what is exactly going to happen? There's one small positive sign here, and I'm going to show you that, which is on the RSI. So if you look on the RSI, prices down, RSI up, bullish divergence. Okay, we are getting a bullish divergence at this point of time, but it doesn't really mean that the RSI is the only factor. Just because you have a divergence doesn't mean you cannot come down here. You can actually go down to this level and the divergence keeps on rising and continue to rise. And once we reach down here, I still want to know what's going to happen next. I want to see the daily time frame as well, so let's check it out and how the daily time frame looks like. Now, I'm more conservative into the part of where the daily time frame is going to be looking like. The last time you pumped here, you pumped from this RSI, and if you look at that RSI, wherever you pumped from here, this support on the RSI has been broken down. And even if I try to zoom in there, and if I try to say that this is a line being drawn here, you can see that there was a support and you've broken below the support, back tested, and you're probably looking to move even further low to the downside. So for me, I am looking forward to see if the RSI can come down to these dashed lines or maybe below the dashed line, get absolutely oversold, come down here to this technical target, try to find a support somewhere here, find support somewhere there, and then you can finally jump back up, move back up on the RSI as well. But for me right now, all in all, the only thing I can say is that Pepe down and over. What about the weekly? Because it's a new week, yes, started yesterday, and of course you do have this one more week. But on the weekly, there's something that is actually pretty heavy, and that is, considering that this is your first red candle where it started, and you have the second candle last week, which is red as well. In the next 5 days, 15 hours, if you're going to close down here and close at 10,900 or 10,800, you are printing in another continuation pattern. And this continuation pattern means that on the weekly, we might get a small relief rally back up to 13,000 and then finally try to drop down to 5,000 levels as well. Now, I'm not saying that 5,000 is in play, not yet. The only way we're going to see if 5,000 is in play is if you come down and lose 8,800, lose 8,800, come down, and then you are going to be continuing lower and lower. So that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.